Well, the trial for the man accused of shooting and killing an Iowa State Patrol sergeant continued in Hamilton County today. Good evening, everyone. I'm Colin Dorsey. Sergeant Jim Smith died after he was shot trying to arrest Michael Lang in Grundy Center last year. KWWL's Daniel Perot is live for us right now in Webster City, where the court adjourned for the day. And Daniel, state prosecutors played a video of Sergeant Smith's death.
Yeah, Colin, it was an emotional moment in the courtroom late this afternoon as the state played that video showing the Iowa State Patrol tactical team entering Michael Lang's house, and then several minutes later, Sergeant Smith being shot. It was very hard for members of his family to watch. They were visibly emotional. A lot of them got up and left as that video was playing, as they tried to process what they were witnessing there. Here on day one of this trial, opening arguments began. Several police officers took the stand. The state showed body camera video of a fistfight between Lang and Cody Nihas, a Grundy Center Reserve police officer who initially tried to pull him over for speeding. He was able to get away thanks to a man driving by who stopped to help. After that fight, Lang took off. Grundy County Deputy Sam Broomy chased him back to the house, where Lang then barricaded himself inside. Former Grundy Center Police Chief Doug Frost then called in a canine from Hardin County and the State Patrol's tactical team, including Sergeant Smith. Eventually, that tactical team entered the house. This is video from a Grundy Center deputy's body camera as they went inside the house. We're not going to show you the moment of the shooting, but here is them a little bit before them calling him to come out.
Mike, you need to come out and show us your hands now, or you will get bit. Nobody's hurt. If you comply, everything will be all right.
No question but that it started with the...
In their opening arguments, defense attorneys argued that it was not first-degree murder here. They say he only opened fire when he saw Sergeant Smith in the doorway of his kitchen with a gun, and only opened fire at the tactical truck as it was ripping the front off of his house.
Was senseless. Didn't need that. But it's not murder.
Lang plans to plead self-defense. Today, the judge limited parts of that argument. After a hearing last night, the judge prevented the defense from asking any legal questions about the standard ground law to any of the jurors. Today, they also cannot ask witnesses if law enforcement had an arrest or search warrant to enter the homes. That came up several times during hearings today with the judge, private meetings there. They've recessed for the day. The trial will resume tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. In Webster City, Daniel Perot, News 7, KWWL.
All right, Daniel, thank you. Now, you can watch this trial live when it does resume tomorrow morning there in Webster City on the KWWL News app. You can get updates sent right to your phone, letting you know exactly when that trial starts up once again tomorrow morning.